Hi guys, this video is to showcase a problem that we were having. We have tons of forms online and through various other APIs we wanted to generate a custom PDF. Okay, there are solutions and tools available in the market, but most of them require you to take a subscription, which becomes really expensive really quickly, or they ask you to print HTML to PDF, which generates very wonky looking PDF. Let me show you the solution that we have done using ETL tools, which is ETL software. Let me just show you. So we have a custom form. This is hosted on Gravity WordPress using Gravity Forms. This is a recruitment form. It contains some details of a candidate, shared chivalry. This is the salary that we have promised this chappy, and it's been written by Robin Hobb, the master. He is the one who's recruited, given us the referral for this. So let's select a few things. Now, once I submit this, okay, few things happen behind the scene. Let me just show you the webhook that we receive. Okay, so this is the one, and let's come back. Yeah, so dear shared chivalry, the salary that we discussed, the joining date is here, the company logo is here, and this is a very pretty looking PDF as per me. Okay, now let me show you behind the scene how this is all being done in a quick demo. Okay, so there are some moving components to this. Number one is URL logger. This is a small add-on which is again given by Team ETL. It allows you to do REST calls and puts them all in a database. Okay, the second thing is once an item reaches URL logger, so let me just show you behind the scenes what URL logger looks like. Yes, so this is URL logger. Okay, all the requests which are done, they are put in a custom database. So let me just show you the one which we just received. Let's refresh this, and it has been received by this in a SQL database. Okay, if you see all of the details are here. Okay, now we have configured this. As soon as we receive a webhook entry, we would like to kickstart a package which we have created over here. This package reads the entry from URL logger, generates a pretty looking offer letter on top of that. Okay, uploads the same to G Drive using a small Python script, and then posts this using an HTTP post. Okay, so everything is being done inside ETL tools. Okay, and I couldn't be happier to achieve this. This is a relatively inexpensive tool. I'm a customer. They charge $700 for this, and there's no subscription. They have excellent support forms where these guys reply within a couple of hours very quickly. Okay, I hope you enjoy this. I know this is still rushed, but we will post a deep dive here. Thank you.